Hey guys, welcome to the Gear Kit channel. Today we're going to show you some of the next level production lines, but before moving on, to make sure to subscribe to our channel, you will not regret it. First in our list, we have the production of an absolutely massive spring form SUHM. SUHM normally specializes in the production of more regular sized parts, generally springs and other small components. They also have the capacity to make absolutely massive ones. In this case, they are forming a giant spring and a red-hot rod being shaped around a large steel cylinder. Here's the same process from another angle where you can get a glimpse of the rod exiting the furnace. The final step in this process is to remove the spring from the cylinder, done by rotating it off, sort of like a screw. Next in our list from China RCM, we have some rotary friction welding. Here they weld two axles at once onto a single component by spinning up two pieces of metal and forcing them into contact. This process creates an enormous amount of heat. This heat is enough to melt the area where the two pieces make contact, and in doing so, the two pieces of metal become welded together. A shear off the excess that forms at the end to make a cleaner looking product. Next, from ALLOPLAST, we have some PVC extrusion. Extrusion is a manufacturing technique useful in the creation of products, especially plastic products that have long continuous shape with a constant cross section. The cross section is what you see after you cut one thing in appearance at the in-surface face. The product we're looking at right now as an example is supposed to equally support a window on its edge. Now let's check the impressive processes concerned within the metal industry happening in the SMS group. The processes of the metal industry are improbably rigorous, extraordinarily precise tolerances with the flexibility to handle hellish heats is important from formation right down to forming. Everything should be done excellent.
A braiding machine interlaces 3 or more strands of yarn or wire to create a variety of materials, including rope, reinforced hose, covered power cords, and some type of lace. The MOT 961130 is designed for bridging the carbon fiber. It has 96 carriers on the head, which lets you braid a mandrel with 500 by 500 by 1000 millimeter dimensions. No doubt this machine is worth buying. With a hydraulic tube bender, you can make handrails, race car chassis, roll cages, and much more. It is faster and more precise than manual models and saves physical effort. This bender machine doesn't require any human force. You just have to put steel tube right away and wait for the bending process. It costs less than you would spend on a programmable tube bender. FORMACH 508FS modeling machine offers a significant advantage over the desktop series with pre-stretched auto levels and a much more powerful flow rate of demanding application. This machine gives you the freedom to design all ranges of decorative pieces, from printed POS to car body shelves. Its innovative graphically driven touchscreen controlled by memory function makes the 508FS very easy to use. With its powerful forming capabilities, provide extensive project versatility. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have anything in mind about this video, please write it below in the comment section. Share the video with friends and feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Take care.